On the way to the airport here in Sining, it's very hard to pronounce. It's called Khao Hiao Bao Airport, and took us about 40 minutes. And now we're already here. They also have the domestic and international airport combined. So if you look at the airport, it's such a fantastic airport, and looks like less than 5 years it was built. But anyway, it looks very clean and huge, and most of the airports in China are really big. So it's time for us to check in at the economy class, and hopefully the seats are not so small. So as we go around, we get to see a burger machine and decided to eat some burger. Yes, burger was pretty good here in China, same as the Kentucky Fried Chicken. So here we are already on the plane. Will take us roughly about 2 hours and a half. So finally, we are already at the airport here in Urumqi. Now we need to look for our Didi. We just have to follow the signs which says hailing. Yes. So we got a van to make sure that it will fit our luggages, because we're 4 people. With a smaller car, it's going to be difficult. So we are now here at the hotel. It's a very old hotel, built 2003, this Grand Mercure, and has been refurbished 2 to 3 times. So let's see how the room looks like here. Imagine, more than 2 decades already, this hotel. It's already 2026, so over 20 years. Well, it looks nice. It's big, the lobby. Well, most important is are we going to enjoy our stay here? Especially the food. Oh, here comes our room. Okay, we were given a 1-bedroom suite, quite big, with a comfy king-size bed, and we'll be spending 3 nights here. But the bathroom is clean, but compared to the room, it's quite small. Yes, you can see from the video, it's quite small. Everything is close to each other. It's got the rain shower, but now it's time for me to chill after coming in at 1:30 in the morning. So it's breakfast time, and one thing good is we arrived late, so they're serving breakfast up to 11 a.m. But you need to eat as fast as you can, maybe less than 1 hour, because they will be having buffet lunch. So we are here relaxing after the breakfast. Well, it looks better in the morning when it's very, very bright. They have really nice furniture, comfortable, and the design for me is too fancy, but it's okay. All right. So again, thank you for watching the vlog.